The first rollout of the Johnson and Johnson vaccine is the government's first line of defense against the COVID-19 pandemic. Healthcare workers got to be the first to get the jab to protect them in the frontline duty. Gauteng province received 16,800 doses, all going to healthcare workers. While there is keen interest in the vaccine, some healthcare workers are concerned that the vaccine is still at the trial stage.
I think the only concerns were around the initial information that it is a rollout, and then discovering on the last hour that it is actually part of a trial that's going on. It's not necessarily something that is confirmed and fully evidenced to work. So it's still upon every individual to make their personal decision about whether to participate and to trust that our government would want the good for all the citizens.
Steve Biko Academic Hospital received just under 6,000 doses for staff. Despite the fact that the Johnson and Johnson vaccines are still at trial stage, the hospital management says it's confident the vaccine will work.
The only way to deal with a virus is to vaccinate. There's no other way. And yes, it is a trial, but it's a trial that has already gone through other phases, and it has been proven that it does work against COVID-19.
The Gauteng government said it aims to vaccinate over 10 million people once the rollout is in full steam.
I am at a provincial level. If you ask me, all we want is more of these vaccines, so that the task, our principal focus is to get the vaccines where they are needed most, to get the vaccines to the 10.4 million people. If you ask me when will that be, it depends entirely on the procurement plan and the agreements that are being done at a national level.
Makura said he was pleased that President Cyril Ramaphosa took the vaccine to send a message that they are safe. The rest of the government leadership, however, will have to wait until after healthcare workers have all been vaccinated. Sipho Stirman,